Did you know baking soda can completely transform a tough cut of meat? I tested it on beef shin, one of the most affordable cuts, and used it to make a Nigerian stew with a twist. The results honestly shocked me. Was it tender? Was it worth it? Stay till the end because I'm going to give you my real unfiltered verdict. And you might never cook beef the same way again. This is our star of the show. This is one of our many normal Nigerian meats. It's beef shin. The problem is that this beef can be very tough. And if you're Nigerian, you know that generally we will boil our meat first and then either fry or grill it. But on this occasion, I'm doing something quite different. I'm going to try a different way of cooking it. Soak it in sodium bicarbonate as a means to tenderize it for about half an hour before I proceed to cook it. Okay, so this is sodium bicarbonate that I'm using. This is what I have at hand. And for this amount of meat, which is about 1 kg, like I mentioned, you would need about 1 tablespoon. So just add them 1 tablespoon. I think that's enough. And sprinkle it all over. You have to rub it in nicely. Make sure it coats all the meats. Some people wear gloves, but I wash my hands. And you basically cover it up and leave it for at least 45 minutes to half an hour. So let's rinse this after 30 minutes. You have to rinse it thoroughly under the water. Rinse as many times as you can. So I'm heating up this pan and I'm just going to add some oil to it. And I'm basically going to just shallow fry the meat. That's all I'm going to do. So basically what I'm doing is browning it. If you can see, I'm just browning it up. It's obviously not cooked. I'm going to cook it in the sauce. There you go. That's the first batch. And I'll see you once I finish the whole batch. So this is the last bit. I'm going to cook it down inside the sauce. I'm just going to add some palm oil here now. I'm going to use that to saute my onion. Just adding in my onions now. I'm adding in my sauce that I blended up earlier. Just going to add in a little bit now. Give that a good mix. This is when you add in all your spices. Yes, you salt to taste. You can add in crayfish or soya sauce. You can even add in some soya sauce, but I am just using the spices I like. Give it a good mix. And now I'm going to add in the beef. So the beef is going to cook inside this. I'm going to reduce the heat and allow it to cook up nicely. Now, the question is, has this been tenderized? Has the meat become tender? I won't know until I finish the cooking. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. So this has been cooking for about 45 minutes. I think I'm quite happy with it now. You will do the taste test because the whole idea was to test if sodium bicarbonate actually softens or tenderizes the beef. We'll find out in a minute. It's a different way of cooking. Usually for my Nigerian kind of stew, I would usually boil the meat first and then fry it or add it to the grill. Well, this occasion I've tried something different. And we'll find out how it tastes in minutes. Here is our lovely dish here. We're going to do a taste test now. I'm going to pair this with some sweet potato and give it a taste to see if using the sodium bicarbonate has made any difference, i.e. has it tenderized the meat. Here's my sweet potato. Okay, here we go. One bite. Well, soft, but to be honest, I haven't noticed any difference. So if I'm going to do this again, I don't think so. I guess I'm just going to cook my meat as normal. What I'm going to try to do next is to use a slow cooker to try and cook this meat and see if it will make a difference. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and God bless you. I am going to enjoy this now. See you later. Bye-bye. Let me know what you think about this recipe and please kindly subscribe, like, comment